Hi, welcome to ASUS Support. Today we are going to show you what to do when you got problems on your ASUS networking product. This video is for New Zealand. When you got problems on your ASUS networking product, first, check on ASUS Support Online. This is ASUS Support site and ASUS Support system. It could be due to settings, drivers, or software problem. Please go to www.asus.com/nz/support, then click Networking. Welcome to ASUS Online Support. Just type your question here, or check the support menu to find solutions. Your answers could be here. If you are not able to find the right solution, then you can contact ASUS support line 0800 278 788 within 9 AM to 6 PM Monday to Friday NZ time, or email us. When you contact ASUS, our agency will troubleshoot your product issue step by step. If the issue cannot be solved and your unit is still under warranty, ASUS support line will give you the case number for warranty claim. For the next step, please take 1. Your ASUS networking device, 2. The proof of your purchase, and 3. The case number from ASUS with you to the retail shop where you purchased the product from. When our dealer receives your unit, the faulty device will be returned to ASUS authorized networking service agency. Technicians will diagnose the return unit, then report to ASUS to process warranty procedure. Once the claim is approved by ASUS, retail shop will replace the device or process the credit for you.